Hello, P4 students. Welcome again in our Math 4 class, and this is Miss Claire. Let's continue Chapter 2, Introducing Negative Numbers. In this video, you will learn Lesson C or Lesson 3 to compare and order numbers. Okay? The learning outcome for this lesson is to understand the relative size of quantities, to compare and order negative numbers using the symbols equal, greater than, and less than. So look at here. I have here a temperature records. Ron and Eddie record the temperatures for a week. See, from day 1 until day 7. So on how many days is the temperature below 0 degrees Celsius? So which day wherein the temperatures are below 0 degrees Celsius? Okay, let's check. So we have day 2, that is negative 2. We have also day 4, negative 3. Day 5, negative 4. Day 6, negative 5. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 days that the temperature are below 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, before. Now let's continue. Okay. Is negative 2 degrees Celsius warmer or colder than negative 5 degrees Celsius? So how can we arrange the temperatures in the chart from the lowest to the highest temperature? When we say from the lowest means the coldest temperature, when we say the highest is the warmest or hottest temperature. So how are we going to arrange them? Okay, we can arrange the temperature, children, by using a number line. As we learned last time, if we will arrange the numbers, the negative numbers and positive numbers in the number line, we will determine or we can classify or find out which numbers are smaller and greater. Again, smaller numbers are the numbers that are negative or those numbers that are on the left side of 0 in the number line. Numbers that are located on the right side of the number line or on the right side of 0 have greater value. Okay, let's move on. Let's compare these temperatures. Ron and Eddie look at the number line and think about the temperatures. Take a look. See, we have here our thermometer. So negative numbers are the numbers to the left, and they are getting smaller or lower. The numbers to the right, or the positive numbers, are becoming larger or higher. So negative numbers are less than 0. So what are the negative numbers? Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, and negative 7. So they are smaller than 0. But on the other side, positive numbers are greater than 0. So all numbers on the right side of 0 are positive and they have larger or higher value. 0 is a neutral number. So it is neither positive or nor negative. Remember, 0 is a neutral number. So where do you think negative 8 and 8 would be? Okay, so where should we put that negative 8 and positive 8 or 8 in our number line? If you know the answer, you can share that during our class. Okay, now let's compare some temperatures using smaller than or less than and greater than. Okay, remember this symbol. This one means less than, so the number on the left is smaller than the number on the right. This symbol is greater than, the number on the left side is greater than the number on the right side. So we have a negative 7 degrees Celsius is colder than 0 degrees Celsius. So negative 7 is less than 0. On the other side, we have 7 degrees Celsius is warmer than 0 degrees Celsius. So If the temperature is warmer, it means it has higher value. So 7 is greater than 0. Now, how can you order the temperatures in A and B? So how are we going to order these numbers? How can we arrange these numbers from the coldest to the warmest? So we have -7. So we have the coldest means the lowest temperature or the smallest number. Since -7 is smaller than 0, so this is the smallest number. Then followed by 0, and the warmest or the greatest number is the 7. So arranging them from the coldest to warmest, we have -7, 0, and 7 degrees Celsius. So what can you say about these numbers, -7, 0, and 7? How will you classify them? Okay, now I have here an exercise for you. Look at this chart or this table. These are the different temperatures in Moscow, Russia for 5 days. All we need to do is to arrange the temperature from the coldest to the warmest. So on what day that the temperature is the coldest, and what day is the temperature has the warmest temperature. So children, if you know how to arrange these temperatures from the coldest to the warmest, you can answer my question later on in this video. Okay? Okay, P4, that's all about lesson C, compare and order numbers involving negative numbers. So I will discuss more about this lesson during our class. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you learned a lot in this video. Always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everyone and have a nice day.